This is a video on how to use the Excel spreadsheet question generator. Firstly, you have to enable the content. This does have a macro in it. It's only a small one just for incrementing this copy number here, but you will have to enable that in order to use it. So if you click Enable Content, now the first thing you can see is that you can't select any of the cells as I'm clicking here. That's because it's basically to keep the integrity of the system. So you'll see there's just one sheet in there, and that is a print sheet. You can change this cell here, which is a copy number, and you can change that cell there, which is the number of significant figures you want the students to answer each of the questions to. You'll see on this particular sheet there are 4 sets of questions. The first one uses calculation of power, the second one's calculation of current, the third one is calculating potential difference, and the fourth one is a mixture of the 3. At the end there is the answers, and you'll see that there's a copy number there, and that matches the copy number up at the top there. Those 2 cells are identical. If you were to press Control and Q, that will produce a print off of this sheet, the question sheet and the answer sheet, and would then also give you an increment of the copy number. Now here's an example of one I printed earlier. You can see that this one is copy number 2 here, and it's all the answers are going to be to 2 significant figures. So it has all of the questions here, question 1, question 2, question 3, and then question 4 is on the other side. But here are the answers which match those questions. So that's just been done by pressing Control and Q, and that produces a question sheet and a matching answer sheet with a matching copy number at the top. I've used this successfully in class. What I've done is I've printed off 30 sheets. I've given out the question sheets to the students and then kept all of the answer sheets myself. And then depending on the class, I've either collected in and marked them up, or as the students have completed a sheet, I've given them their individual answer sheet. This means it's absolutely impossible for the students to copy anything from their neighbour. They can tell them how to do it, which is a valid skill. What they can't do is they can't actually copy the answers. Every question sheet produced is unique. Thank you very much indeed.